Yeah, boy! SVR! Woohoo! SVR! Woohoo!
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, western Panola County in northeastern Texas, Rusk County in northeastern Texas, until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:20 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Henderson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail.
Holy moly.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Henderson, Carthage, Tatum, New London, Beckville, Joinerville, Pineville, Turnertown, Minden, Easton,
Just a second.
Berry City, Chapman, Monroe, Darko, Fairplay, Stewart, Bratchfield, Chalk Hill, Dodson, and Church Hill. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
It's in here.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Wow.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Harrison, Panola, and Rusk.